West LA Computer Expert, your remote tech superhero with quick assist. Is your computer acting up like a villain in a bad movie? Crashes, pop-ups, and error messages got you pulling your hair out? Don't fret, citizens of Los Angeles. There's a tech hero ready to swoop in and save the day, remotely. Hey everyone, Daniel here from West LA Computer Expert. We're not just your friendly neighborhood computer store, we're remote tech wizards, ready to banish your tech troubles with the power of Quick Assist. That's right, with Quick Assist, built into Windows 8.1 through Windows 11, we can connect to your computer securely, no matter where you are in Los Angeles or anywhere in the world. It's like having a tech expert right there with you, seeing what you see, fixing what needs fixing. We can diagnose any PC or network issue, from malware removal to software troubleshooting, printer problems to internet blues. We'll explain everything in plain English, no tech jargon, so you understand what's happening. Customer 1, I was about to lose my mind with my slow computer. Daniel fixed it remotely in minutes, it's like night and day. Customer 2, I had no idea remote tech support could be so easy and convenient. They saved me time and money, and I didn't even have to leave my house. Narrator, but wait, there's more. With Quick Assist, you get fast and efficient service, no more waiting days for an appointment, we're here to help when you need us. Affordable solutions, remote support saves you time and money on travel costs. Secure connections, we take your privacy seriously, our connections are safe and encrypted. Peace of mind, knowing a friendly expert is just a click away is priceless. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let tech troubles ruin your day. Contact West LA Computer Expert today and let us show you the magic of Quick Assist. We'll have your computer singing its happy song again in no time. Remember, with West LA Computer Expert and Quick Assist, you're never alone in your tech battles. We're here to save the day, remotely.